Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make high resolution images in Gimp. It's really simple and easy. All we need to do is change the image size. To do that, select your image and go to image, and over here go to scale image. And now make sure that this is selected, this link icon over here, because it will keep the aspect ratio fixed, so it will proportionally size the image. So for example, we want bigger image, so just select this first value and type in width, and you can see that height is automatically selected. So just click scale. You can leave this interpolation to be cubic and click scale. And after we scale the image, if I hold control button and mouse wheel down, you can see that over here at the top you can see the new image dimensions. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make high resolution image in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.